right, Tommy in his new jumper. Tommy, what do you think, buddy? He's still a little small for it, but he'll have fun. Tommy. Look at you go, bud. Yay! Let's get around here and see if I can get better light. Tommy. Hi, buddy. Looks like he's spinning around more than he is going up and down, but it's almost his bedtime, so usually he's a little more quiet at this point. I think tomorrow he'll probably get good use and play out of this guy. All right, say goodnight, Tommy. Say goodnight.